Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a review on the salt cell I just bought off Amazon. Got a really good price on it. Came from SD Pool Supply. It's an Ic30 Pentair. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I haven't even opened it up yet. So this is exactly what I purchased here. It's a Ic30 Ic30. Looks like everything's nice and sealed. I mean, from what I can tell. I mean, it looks pretty good. I just picked up the salt cell itself. It's well packaged. Seems everything's brand spanking new in here. And there you have it. Salt cell and all. Brand spanking new, looks like to me. Let's go ahead and get the fittings out. That's all it comes with it. Gonna be the generator. Got a couple instruction manuals. Guarantee. Has the extension for if you had an existing salt cell too, which is kind of interesting. I didn't think it was going to come with this. So it should automatically fit right directly into it. So you pull the old one out and you put the new one in. I'm going to probably end up showing you guys the difference in it. So I want you guys to have a better look into it. I'm going to make sure that everything is kosher here. Going to go ahead and hook it up here in a little bit. Everything seems 100% with this guy. Wow, I'm pretty amazed. Got a really good deal on it. So before we get too far into it, let me go ahead and get it all installed for you guys so you guys can kind of see it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do is first thing is to do the service disconnect. Make sure you cut power to the entire system. Then you go to your existing salt cell and you go ahead and you take it off. Like I already have it I put a wrench to it already and made sure it was loosened up before I took it completely off. Make sure you put a little bit of lube on it too as well. I'm just going to keep the existing fittings that I had on there and then make sure it gets connected. As you can see, there you go. Lube this up. I made sure that the extension was on here. So and make sure that you don't have to cut out any piping for it. I'll hand tighten everything at first. Hey, so I want to go ahead and give an update on this installation. Installed as easy as pie. I didn't have to call in a service person or nothing. I mean, literally, I just pulled it out of the package, put on the extender right to it, and it fit where the old one needed to go. Just got to make sure that the flow direction goes right, and you tighten down the COM port for it. But other than that, works like a charm, man. Great buy here on Amazon.